to freehand with a TIG printer on the plate. Using this large diameter gas lens setup, it's commonly used with air-cooled FlexLock 360 TIG printer. Start off with the root pass and weld it all the way out. 3/16 of the plate. Starting off at 100 amps with a full pedal, which won't quite give us 100 amps. Tungsten electrode extension is really important. For both the root pass and the hot pass, I'm going to extend my electrode about 5/16 of an inch, maybe just a little bit more. Cup size is also very important. I chose a number 6 so that it will wiggle inside that bevel and breathe nice and easy. This is a 3/16 thick plate, 32 bevel, 0 band, 1/8 depth, using 1/8 inch thick TR-76 filler. The number 6 cup is working pretty good. My electrode extension is about right. I could have a little bit less and lean back to the film. But the main thing I'm trying to do is not wiggle very far side to side. Slight little wiggle. Keep things moving. If you can wiggle only a little bit and hold a tight arc, it tends to punch the root in there.